First of all, thanks from my side because uh, इतना स्पीडली सबको कंडक्ट करना, और मैं लिख सकती हूँ गुड फॉर्मेशन भी, लेकिन मैं कभी इतना स्पीड अप नहीं हो सकती हूँ, एंड आई डिड विथ यू. थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्टली. एंड सेकेंडली, मेरे लिए एक्साइटमेंट ये था कि एक वर्कशॉप में 12 सेशन में 5 पार्ट्स कैसे कवर हो सकते हैं. प्रिंट भी, कर्सिव भी, ल्यूसिडा भी, देन आपका फॉक्स भी, देन स्टाइलिंग द लेटर. मुझे बस वही लग रहा था कि either you will going to present your pre-prepared work or your student work that you did along with us, and that amazed me rightly. And you gave us the proper time also, that you also perform. You have not given that you have not left us behind ki nahi chalo jo ho raha hai chalne do. No, you have written something, you have given us time also, you have cross checked it, and that impressed me a lot.
I I was asking you in the beginning of the session that will I be able to do it because my handwriting isn't good. I had been teaching from past 15 years, but calligraphy was my, I just learned it for my own kids that I will teach them. But really, it was interesting. I usually offer these kind of workshops, but I never complete any of them. Though this was also like 2 sessions were missed by me. But yes, I'm very, very keen to do them. And I will definitely do and share the work with you. And I really want to do it. It was really very interesting. Very slowly, steadily, you explained everything so well that I really liked it. Thank you so much. When I shared my work with my sister, she said, wow, you can write this. So it was nice. It was just one practice. Like you said, if you want to teach, then obviously we have to practice a lot for it. To be professional, obviously in front of kids, we cannot go without practicing. So I think if with practice, I'll be able to do it very well. And that is only because of you. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful experience.
We learned awesome performance. Actually, we learned new thing. Previously, my handwriting was little bit clumsy. It's not. I can't say it's horrible, but somewhat it will not be neat or perfect. The lines will be actually for the first letter will be good. The second letter it will be bigger or smaller like that. But now I learned how to write perfectly, and it was very legible now. And moreover, I am teaching my son also because initially I can make him to write. Good handwriting is very important. So really you taught us the variety of handwriting. Actually, handwriting style have been improved, and moreover the presentation part, how to present. If you want to earn with your handwriting to be what are the things you have to follow it, and how you have to perform it, how your presentation should be, what are the things you have to get ready. As you said that we have to do practice. So every day I'm practicing whatever the scripts you have taught us. I'm practicing that cursive or median or whatever it is. I'm practicing it. I think I have disturbed you a lot. If I did anything, I'm not perfect also sometimes. So you kindly bade us and you taught us. It's very wonderful experience.
संगीता जी ने बहुत मुश्किल से ये सेशन को सोच के ज्वाइन किया है. उन्हें लगा था कि पता नहीं ऑनलाइन में सीख पाऊंगी कि नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं मेरे पास कि मैम ऑनलाइन कैसे कोई हैंडराइटिंग सीख सकता है. तो आप उसके बारे में बताना कि आपको वो जो एक मिथ था वो आपका टूटा कि नहीं टूटा.
अच्छा रहा मैम. कर्सिव का मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब वही मुझे एम था मेरा कि मुझे कर्सिव अच्छे से सीखना था.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Tanita from Tamil Nadu, from Erode district. I have enrolled in your handwriting course, and it is very useful for me. You have taught us cursive handwriting and print handwriting and also Marian handwriting. Then I learned Fox calligraphy. I enjoyed the session very much because it was I thought it can't be done by me, but when I'm attending your class, I can do it by myself. I showed my works to my colleagues. They all appreciated me, and they all asked me to learn. They are ready to learn from me. So I am very much happy that I have learned many good things from you. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your classes.
You're welcome, ma'am.
I'm Uday Chandrika. Actually, I'm working in teacher. I just introduced myself during the beginning of the class. So I started. I I started this class only because of the interest only. I don't have any idea of teaching handwriting, but I thought this might be a good session for me to improve my skill in writing. Even I started this class for making my kid also to participate because she is very much interested in this, and I learned it for her only. And I am very much interested in this class actually. When we were starting, I don't believe that this class would be a good session for me or not. I had a doubt and I inquired ma'am also whether it will be useful for me or not, ma'am. Like that I inquired. But really such a wonderful session actually. All the things I learned with the full of interest and enthusiasm. And whatever we are learning, we are taking it as taking it with interest means it will be a good thing, whatever we are learning. So actually we will have usually many chart works and many things to be implemented in our classroom decoration. So usually I will do it very in a distinct way actually, to in attractable way, but I don't know any special type of writing and all. So this time I learnt everything, and this time if I'm preparing the chart works and everything, that will be a special thing. And thank you so much, ma'am, for making this session wonderful. Thank you.
Hello, myself Lavanya Sanjeev Vaishnav, and I had just passed my 10th, and just recently my boards were over, so I was just interested, and I didn't never know that calligraphy must be a wonderful thing, but it is so wonderful. I never knew there were so much scope in this thing. It was so wonderful. All this thing was so enthusiastic. I really love it. Thank you.